Good morning. The weekend is here, the bank holiday weekend to boot. And after what's been a cold week, well, temperatures have started to rise just at the right time. It's certainly going to be milder than of late today. And for most of us, it's a fine Saturday, dry with spells of sunshine. After today, the forecast becomes a little more uncertain. More on that in a moment. And it's not exactly really warm out there at the moment. It's a little bit chilly across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, but generally it's fine. 1 or 2 showers across parts of Western Scotland. For England and Wales too. Again, it's a dry start with a fair bit of sunshine. And as we go through the day, well, we won't see too much in the way of change. I think we'll see the clouds bubbling up a little bit, so I don't think the skies will remain blue throughout the day. And there is the likelihood of 1 or 2 showers breaking out, but they are very well scattered. Most of us will stay dry and stay fine. And after what has been a cold week, well, temperatures should be up into the teens once more, around about, maybe even a little bit above average for the time of year. Could reach 15 or 16 in 1 or 2 places. Still a little bit chilly on some of the North Sea coast, particularly across eastern Scotland. Only single figures here. Now, also, as we go through the day, the breeze will start to pick up, and that'll get quite gusty at times in the west through the course of Saturday evening. But for most of us this evening, got any plans? The weather shouldn't really be interfering. It's fine and it's bright. And as we go through the night, it'll stay dry for the most part. However, then we get some complications. If I just step out of the way, notice there is a band of rain just fringing towards Ireland. That is a weather front that's been giving us a few headaches for much of this week. There's still some uncertainty about the exact position of this weather front as it slowly edges towards us through the early hours of Sunday morning. Certainly as the isobars squidge together, we are going to see the winds picking up. So Sunday looks like being quite a blustery day. Still dry and fine for the most part. Quite a few of us waking up to sunshine. But in the southwest, the threat of that weather front arriving and then the risk of it spreading into other parts of England, Wales, maybe Northern Ireland. Now, I say the risk because there's still some uncertainty about exactly how far in this rain band will get. Most likely to be wet in the southwest, but even here it probably won't rain all day. Later on, that rain just spreading its way further north and east. But for much of Scotland, most of eastern England, should be a fine day, with temperatures again in the teens. Feeling a bit chilly though because of that wind, especially on those North Sea coasts. Now, that area of rain is expected to continue to work its way through Sunday evening into parts of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, and then through the night it should start to fizzle out somewhat. Again into Monday, some question marks about exactly how far north and south the rain is, and there'll be showers developing in the south. But again, the showers somewhat hit and miss, and for many of us, Monday also set to stay dry and certainly feel a bit milder than it has done. So yes, there are some question marks still about the weekend forecast, but for most of us, Saturday promises some fine weather, just some subtle changes with a risk of a bit more in the way of wet weather through the second half of the weekend. We'll continue to keep you updated. There's always more information on our website.